Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the cube roots of the unity and the properties of the cube roots of the unity. In our previous video we have discussed the first property of the cube roots of the unity, and in this video we will discuss the another property, which is the second property of the cube roots of the unity. So it says if there are three cube roots of unity, 1, omega and omega square, if we add these three cube roots we will get 0. The sum of these three cube roots will become 0. Let us prove this cube root of unity. So 1 plus omega. Omega, the value of omega is -1 positive iota square root 3 divided by 2 plus the omega square. The value of omega square is -1 negative iota square root 3 divided by 2. It should be equals to 0. This is an second property. So it's a simple simplification. Just take LCM. The 2 would be the LCM. So here it is nothing, it means there is 1. The table of 1 on 2 is 2 times. So 2 is multiplied with 1, so it will become 2 plus. So table of 2 on 2 will become 1 time, so 1 is multiplied with this factor, this term, it will become -1 positive iota square root 3. So again the table of 2 on 2 will become 1 time, so 1 is multiplied with these terms, so it will become positive negative iota square root 3. It should be equals to 0. So we are going to prove the summation of these three terms should be equals to 0. So simplify this. 2, the plus minus will become -1 plus iota square root 3. The plus minus will become -1 minus iota square root 3 divided by 2. So positive iota square root 3 and negative iota square root 3 will be cancelled out simply. So 2 -1 will become -2 divided by 2 is equals to 0. Means 2 minus 2 is the 0.2. 0.2 means 0. It shows that the 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. Hence proved. So this was the second complex cube root second property of the cube root of unity. So we will discuss the another property, which is third property of the cube roots of the unity, in our next video. Hope you find this video helpful. If you really find this video helpful, please do comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.